Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Chicken Licken Easy Guide. Begin by patting 5 kg of chicken pieces dry, then season evenly with salt and pepper and set aside while you mix a buttermilk marinade and a seasoned flour dredge to maximize flavor and crispness. After marinating, remove chicken and let excess drip off, then coat each piece thoroughly in the seasoned flour mixture, pressing to adhere. Let coated pieces rest on a wire rack for 10 minutes so the crust bonds. Heat oil to 175 C and maintain that temperature while frying to ensure even cooking and a golden crust. If you are enjoying the video, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. Bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I showed earlier, great for storing your crispy chicken licken and leftovers. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab one if you want convenience, and now let's get back to the video. Place coated chicken carefully into hot oil and fry without crowding, turning occasionally until evenly browned and cooked through. This usually takes 10 to 15 minutes per batch depending on piece size. Drain on paper, then transfer to a rack to rest, which locks in juiciness and keeps the crust crisp for the best texture and flavor when served.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.